Carlton.
Yes.
Nasi tinoda kuku bire bambara. Today I want to cook for you sweet potato.
All right. You mean today you want to cook for me sweet potatoes?
Yes.
So that's what you're trying to say, Shona. Can you say it again?
Nasi tinoda kuku bire bambara.
All right. You say it in this way. Say nasi
Nasi
dinoda
tinoda
kukubikira.
kukubirika.
Kukubikira.
Kukubirika.
No, say kukubikira.
Kukubirika.
Maybe let's say it in this way. Say nasi
dinoda
kubika.
kubika bambaira.
Yes, good. Can you say it again now?
Nasi dinoda kukubira bambara.
Nasi dinoda
kukubira. Nasi dinoda kukubira bambara.
I think the easiest way just saying kubika. Dinoda kubika bambaira. Can you say it again? Say
nasi dinoda.
Yes.
Kubira.
Kubika.
Bambaira. Okay. Nasi dinoda kubiraka. Kubika.
Bambaira. For the last time.
Okay.
Say nasi
dinoda
kubika. Bambaira.
Nasi kumbika.
Yes, kubika.
Nasi dinoda kumbika bambara.
Yes, kubika.
Shona is difficult.
Now can you say it for the last time?
Nasi dinoda kubirika bambaira.
Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Kindly follow us as we teach together. My phone is to speak Shona. Have a blessed day.